Meaning of FOI.
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 FOI. FOI stands for Freedom of Information. It is a legal right that allows individuals to request access to information held by public authorities. The goal of FOI is to promote transparency and accountability in government operations, and to ensure that citizens have the information they need to participate in democratic decision-making processes. FOI requests can be made for a wide range of information, including government policies, reports, and data. The outcome of an FOI request can result in the release of information to the requester or a refusal to disclose the information, citing specific exemptions under the law.